Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video. Now today I wanna talk a little bit about design 3. Okay. Now I know it is been out there for some time now and I haven't been talking about this at all. But today I felt like I should have at least introduced you to the resources that we are getting in Figma community uh, with respect to this material 3 design. So let's see how to get all of those design elements and all other tools related to material 3 designs. And let's just get started. Though this is not a tutorial video, this is not a in-depth video even. This is just to share you the resources. Okay, so let's just get started. So here is our material design 3's website, official website, that is m3.material.io. Now I will give you the link of this website because you will get all of the others links, means all of the other Figma resources from this website only. So rather than giving you multiple links of Figma, I would share this link only. Okay. So here are all, like lot of things about material tree and to how, what is the design system is about, how they are drawing and all blah blah blah. But which specific portion are we interested in this portion, resources and tools. So they have actually introduced material kit, the 3 design kit as well in the Figma community. And rather than that, what else do we have? We have, I will show this to you later on. We have theme builder. Okay, then we have symbols and plugins. Then we have variable fonts demo that we will show, we will see later. And we have fonts knowledge, and this is the basic fonts knowledge that is coming from material to design as well. Okay, so you will get nothing much in it. Actually it will refer you to the fonts.google.com. Okay, so those are the basic 3 uh, things that we are getting with our material 3 from our material 3 design system, that is symbols, and it is a plugin. And I am happy to see that at last we have symbols in uh, Figma, and it's not a file from which I will copy, it's a plugin. So that's a great thing. And rather than that, we have theme builder. So basically you can use this plugin for building themes in material design. So this is another thing that I'm loving that they have introduced. And actually if you go to their account, you will get a lot of things right here. See, material kit 3 design, and this is the material kit 3. It is a getting started guide. Here are the styles, here are the components. Wait, yeah, here are the components. And this is basically wait, I have zoomed in too much, I zoomed out too much. Okay, see, sorry. So those are the things. See, whatever. So if you come to this section, and we'll get to know about like all of those other things as well. Here is the material 2 design, as you can see. Though to be honest, like many people gonna hate me for this, but I didn't like material 2 design at all. I hated it so much, to be honest. But rather than that, we have what we have, like we have migrating to variable fonts, that is explained over here. Variable fonts demo, if you click on it you will get that. Okay, and rather than that, what we have design with accessible colors and customizing material colors. But those are the particular Figma resources. Now there is another great tool that I really liked, that is theme builder, theme builder. And it have 2 sections. Like here you have your normal sections where you will just shuffle colors, click on shuffle colors or pick a background, and it will generate the theme color according to the background that you have. You can add your own wallpaper to create the background color from it. Here is the light mode, here is the dark mode, light mode, dark mode, light mode, dark mode. It's great. Okay, it's really great. You can shuffle colors as well. Now when you come to the custom section, here where the magic happens. See, you have your fully blown theme over here that material design system suggests. Okay, and you can learn more about it if you go to the color section of it. Color system, right? Color system, right? In color system, yes. See, color system, you can learn more about it, what they have explained over here. All of those things are over here, right? And here is your primary, secondary, tertiary, and natural color. You can add color to extend your color palette. Okay, you can do all sort of stuffs over here, and you can simply copy the color as well. Let me show you what it copied. See, it has copied the color, and you can simply click on uh, export to export the whole color system from here, and you can export it in Dart, CSS, export material tokens. So that is something you like interesting. Okay, I haven't gone through all of it yet, so I don't know in depth about it. I already said this will not be a in-depth video, but there is a thing. So yeah, here are those things, and here you can change the theme as well. Light theme, see, in the light theme those colors will be followed, and dark theme those colors will be followed. So basically that's it about this video. I just wanted to share the resources. Okay, now going into in depth on those topics will take a lot of time, though I would like to have some suggestion from you guys. If you know some tools particularly available for material 3, then please let me know about all of them so I can feature them. First of all, use them. And actually in my next video I gonna show you Tailwind CSS library for material theme design, so stay tuned for that as well. So basically that's it for this video. If you know some of the great things, great tools regarding material, please let me know about them in the comment section below. And rather than that, if you like this video or if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. That will be much more helpful. And that's it. Bye.